Wear the gown. Brought to you by CHI St. Vincent.
So what may appear to be a simple wound may actually be evidence of a complicated medical condition. Fortunately, there's a simple answer.
And we hope you're not claustrophobic, because now we're going to take you on a short trip.
We're taking you inside a hyperbaric chamber in hopes you never really have to go here. These chambers are the focal point for the CHI St. Vincent Wound Care Center.
It incorporates many aspects other than simply looking at a wound and changing a dressing.
Yes.
They get the call when healing a wound needs something extra.
I think it's somebody that needs more than the standard care, or somebody that fails to respond in a standard way.
And this is where the hyperbaric chamber can come into play.
It's 100% oxygen under pressure.
The goal is the growth of new blood vessels, and that helps rejuvenate injured tissue and skin. But keep in mind, only about 5 to 10% of the center's patients ever need it.
But honestly, most of our patients have an underlying chronic condition which impeded their ability to heal normally in the first place.
Long periodic treatment schedules are needed to fight their #1 enemy, diabetes.
Most of the diabetic foot ulcers are on the pressure-bearing surfaces of the foot.
Is it getting too warm?
Even with hyperbaric chambers, treatments may take months, but it's worth it.
The alternative is immediate amputation.
You know, we're saving their foot, but we're also prolonging their life in that process.
And they have a hospital full of specialists that can then come into play in correcting the underlying problem that caused that wound in the first place.
If somebody's falling through the cracks somewhere else, they can come here. We will coordinate their care.
These are chambers of hope.
The Wound Care Center is adjacent to the main hospital on the CHI St. Vincent campus here in Little Rock.
The hyperbaric therapy is now so common that Medicare covers more than 15 procedures using those chambers that you just saw.
And you can see this story and more on THV11.com/gown.